Here's a mini tiller made by Echo. Serial number is TC 210. Guys, I can't see much difference this and Manus, except it says Echo on it. I mean, the plastic might be a little bit, a little bit different or something in the front. It's got the, the throttle on the handlebars. It's got the off and on switch up here, just like the Manus does. And then down here, it's pretty much the same thing. I can't see too much difference in it. It's got the kickstand, the 2-cycle engine. Well, the new Manus, I think, is coming out with a 4-stroke in it. But basic the same thing. But we're talking, I would say, from the Manus and to this here on the price range, I would say somewhere around, maybe $50 to $100 difference between the 4-stroke. I think about $100 different in the 4-stroke, and I would say $50 difference in the 2-stroke. But I mean, that's fine with me. The 2-stroke, these seem like pretty good, pretty nice. Well, Echo makes a good product, anyways. But I have Echo, other things made out of Echo too. But this in here, I've been wanting to get one of these for a while because, getting older and everything. The gardening, I love doing my gardening stuff, and it'd probably make it a little bit easier for me to do my gardening. But yeah, I mean, it runs 2-stroke. It has the same, everything pretty much the same. When it bolted together, it was pretty much the same too. I mean, these are nice little tillers. Don't get me wrong. I mean, if you want to cut some time out and you like to garden, these are the things to do, guys. I'm telling you. Pick up one of these. Pretty nice. Now I've already been running it. I really enjoy running it. So let me go ahead and start it up for you. Let's just here. Let me go on this. Get the off and on button, turn on, run, and then there you go. You can see I've been cutting the ground up. Yeah, I don't think anybody would want to run it full throttle like that. But yeah, if you're gonna, if you're an older guy like me, I mean, first thing you want to do is get something that's a little bit easier, and this is a lot easier than using a hoe or some other type of tool. They have a type of tools. But, I've been wanting one for a long time, and it's about time to pick up one. Make my job a little easier, a little bit faster. So if you get out to Home Depot and look around, I mean, these things are really nice to have. The Manus is a nice machine too, but I still think these are the same companies that makes the Manus and the Echo. I didn't do any research on them yet. I was just wanting to get out here and do a video and let you guys take a look at it, because I'm for sure this is a new model that Echo came out with for this year, or it could be from last year, but still, if you're out doing your garden, these are the things to get right here. So, all right, thanks for watching, guys.